Lesson 5.11 is about proportional versus non-proportional. In your notes packet, we're on page number 21 to start here. For lesson 5.11, we're going to remember back to what proportional relationships look like on a graph. And in order for a relationship to show up on a graph as a proportional relationship, it would have to have a straight line and it would have to be through the origin. The other thing is that all those points would actually have the same k value. So we're going to start off with the first graph here. And our first question is to go ahead and actually calculate k. So what we're going to do is to calculate k, we're going to pick a couple different points and we're going to do the y divided by the x. So when we look at the first one, I'm going to skip the 0, 0 point because that's not going to get me anywhere. But if I look at this first one right here, my y value is 60, my x value is 1. So doing 60 divided by 1, I get 60. I'm going to check one more here. This is my x, this is my y. So 120 divided by 2, and that's also going to give me 60. So the k value is equal to 60. The k represents our unit rate, and that's the y divided by the x. So the miles is our y-axis, and time in hours is our x-axis. So this is telling us the miles per hour. Looking at our line, the line is straight, and it does in fact go through the origin down here at 0, 0, so it is proportional. As a result of it being proportional, we can write the equation y equals kx, replacing the k with the 60 that we found using the points on the graph. For number 2, take a look at the function, the picture that we have here on the graph. It's a cost function, it looks like. So looking at our line, overall speaking, other than the pixelation of the images, the line is in fact straight. However, the origin is down here, so the line actually starts further up, so it does not go through the origin, which this would tell me that this is not a proportional relationship then. Take a look at number 3. I'm going to ask you the same questions and have you answer them. Is the line for this one straight? Yes, the line actually is straight. Does the line go through the origin? No, the line does not. The origin is down here and it looks like the line has been shifted up. So for the final question, is this proportional? No is the correct answer here because we don't go through the origin. This is not a proportional graph. And that's it for lesson 5.11, proportional versus non-proportional.